Hello. So a couple days ago, I got a few packages from Blackpenredpen that had shirts that I know are from Blackpenredpen and Dr. Peyam, but I'm not sure exactly what they are. So we're going to unbox them in this video. Now, I had to debate with myself about whether I was going to keep my beard or not for this video, but I decided if I was going to wear the Santa hat already for Christmas, I might as well keep the beard as well to make the look consistent. So let's start out with the first shirt here. I actually don't know which one of these is from Blackpenredpen and which is from Dr. Peyam. So we'll see which one this is. I'm not very experienced at opening these kinds of packages, so this might take a while. You're supposed to go in like this. There we go. Okay. Here we go. I have not seen it yet. Let's see what this is. Pink tag. Aha, here we go. The Dr. Peyam Whoa shirt. Very nice. I think I saw this being mentioned in one of Dr. Peyam's community posts. He said he was going to come out with that. The black and white is interesting, but I think it's good because it creates a better contrast with the actual word whoa right there on the bottom of the shirt. And then the back just says, thanks for watching. So let me try it on and see how it looks. There we go. Looks pretty good. I will definitely be wearing this. We'll see. Maybe on Christmas. I'll have to figure it out. Okay, next one. So that was the Dr. Peyam shirt. This one's going to be from Blackpenredpen. This one also looks like it'll be a little easier to open, so that should be nice. Here you go. This is why I haven't taken a topology class yet, is because I have difficulty with this kind of thing. Okay, here we go. Very nice. So this is the limit shirt. For all epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0 such that, what does it say? 0 is less than absolute value of x minus a is less than delta, implies that the absolute value of f of x minus L is less than epsilon. I haven't done a calculus series yet, but the definition of the limit is actually really interesting. If you haven't seen 3 Blue 1 Brown's calculus series, I actually think he does a very good job of talking about how limits work and then applying that to derivatives and integrals as well. So this is very cool because even for people who don't know the Blackpenredpen reference right here on the bottom, we still know the definition of the limit. So this is going to be a very fun shirt to wear. Maybe if I go on a college visit, wear one of these and see if anyone is interested by it. Thank you to Blackpenredpen for sending me both of these shirts. These are awesome. Definitely ones that I'm going to be wearing regularly. And one of the things that I like about these kinds of shirts is actually the fact that they're very simply designed, in the sense that there's not a lot of embellishment. It doesn't really distract from what's on the shirt. You just see it and you know exactly what it's talking about right here. We have the limit definition, and then we just have Dr. Peyam in all of his glory, so we just get to focus on that. It's very nice. So thank you to Blackpenredpen for sending me these shirts, and also thank you to Dr. Peyam for volunteering his design. If you'd like to get some Blackpenredpen or Dr. Peyam merch, I've linked both of their shops in the description, so you can go over there and order some of these for yourself. But beyond that, I hope everyone has a great holiday season this year, and it's time for me to go show off these shirts, so I'll see you later.